Unibase surged 773% in the last 30 days, reaching 0.2113 with a market cap of $528 million. This performance placed it at the top of the list for crypto gains during mid-April to mid-May 2026. The token's rise coincided with the launch of its ERC-80-183 agent service market in early May, which allows AI agents to function as on-chain services. This innovation, paired with infrastructure developments on the Base network, boosted utility and developer engagement. The token's performance highlights how modular blockchain infrastructure and AI integration can attract investor attention and liquidity. Troll, a Solana-based memecoin, followed closely with a 703% increase in value. It reached a market cap of $124 million, driven by community activity and speculative interest typical of the memecoin. Space, meanwhile, SKYAI climbed 335%, trading near 48 cents with a market cap of $475 million. BUILDon B gained 273%, reaching 68 cents per token and a market cap of $676 million. Humanity Protocol, H, rose 158%, reaching 25 cents with a market cap of $683 million. These gains reflect a broader trend where mid-cap and smaller tokens saw significant price movements amid steady trading volumes. The surge in crypto gains is not limited to a single theme. Unibase's performance is tied to its modular blockchain and AI integration, while Troll's rise is linked to memecoin dynamics. BUILDon's growth aligns with broader institutional interest in on-chain development tools, and Humanity Protocol's increase reflects ongoing adoption in the social and governance space. These tokens represent different market. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Narratives, from AI infrastructure to community-driven projects. Market data shows that these gains occurred against a backdrop of stable trading volumes across major exchanges. This suggests that the price increases were driven by specific project developments rather than broad market speculation. For instance, Unibase's ERC-80-183 standard and its partnerships with Base network memory layers contributed to increased utility and developer adoption. These factors helped attract liquidity and investor attention in a market environment where AI-themed projects are gaining traction. The performance of these tokens also reflects the importance of liquidity and infrastructure positioning. Unibase's growing market cap and trading volume indicate that it is attracting a broader base of investors and developers. This is significant because higher liquidity can support price stability and reduce volatility. In contrast, Troll's gains were more speculative, driven by community sentiment and on-chain activity typical of memecoins. The broader crypto market is showing signs of diversification in performance drivers. While Unibase and Humanity Protocol are benefiting from infrastructure and governance narratives, Troll and SKYAI are capitalizing on community-driven and speculative trends. This mix of narratives suggests that different segments of the market are responding to unique factors, from technological innovation to social media momentum. Investors and analysts are now watching whether these trends will continue. For Unibase, the next key signal will be the adoption rate of its ERC-80-183 standard and the success of its Base network integrations. For Troll, the focus is on maintaining community engagement and avoiding typical memecoin volatility. BUILDon's next move will depend on how its on-chain development tools are adopted by developers and institutions. Humanity Protocol's trajectory will be influenced by its governance and social impact initiatives. The performance of these tokens also raises questions about the sustainability of their gains. While some are driven by strong fundamentals, others are more susceptible to market sentiment shifts. Investors should monitor trading volumes, market cap changes, and on-chain activity to assess whether these gains are likely to persist or if they are part of a short-term speculative wave. The broader market is also watching for signs of a larger trend. If more tokens follow the AI and modular blockchain narrative, it could signal a shift in investor priorities. This could lead. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. To increased funding for infrastructure projects and a broader adoption of AI-driven blockchain solutions. However, if the trend is limited to a few tokens, it may indicate a more fragmented market with limited cross-project synergy. The next signal to watch is whether the market cap increases for these tokens translate into sustained on-chain activity and developer engagement. For Unibase, the success of its agent service market will be a key indicator. For Troll, continued community participation and on-chain activity will be important. For BUILDon and Humanity Protocol, the adoption of their tools and governance models will be crucial indicators of long-term viability. These signals will help determine whether the current crypto gains are part of a broader market shift or just a temporary spike.